Hello and welcome back. Let me start with a simple question. Have you ever bought a new smartphone because it has a better camera or a longer battery life? And have you ever wondered who decides those features should exist in the first place? And once those decisions are made, who ensures thousands of engineers, designers, testers, and manufacturers work together to build that smartphone successfully? Interestingly, these responsibilities belong to two different roles: product manager and project manager. Now, many people confuse these roles because their names are similar, but their responsibilities are very different. One focuses on the entire product lifecycle, while other focuses on delivering specific projects that make product a reality. And throughout this video, we'll use simple smartphone examples to understand these roles. And by the end of this video, you will clearly understand what product management is, what project management is, how both work together, and why every project manager should understand the bigger business picture. Let's start with understanding what product management really means. Imagine you're working at Samsung and one day leader team asks, what should our next smartphone looks like? And that simple question start entire journey. The company first studies the market to understand what customer really want. Are they looking for better camera, better battery life, AI powered features, or foldable screen? And this research help identify customers needs and market trends. Now once those needs are understood, product manager defines the product vision and decides which feature will provide most value to customers while supporting organizations business goals. Next, detailed requirements are prepared and engineers and designers begin building the product. And after development is complete, the product is launched into market. But the journey doesn't end there. Product manager continues to improve the product through software updates, bug fixes, and new features based on customers' feedback. And eventually, after several years, product reaches the end of its life cycle and is replaced by a newer model. Now think about companies like Apple and Samsung. Every year these release improved versions because customer expectations constantly change. 5 years ago, customers mainly cared about battery life. Today they expect a lot more: AI features, powerful cameras, faster charging, and better security. And this complete journey from the initial idea to retirement is called product management. A simple way to remember it is the product manager owns the destination. They decide what should be built and why it should be built and how product would evolve throughout its life. Now let's look at how project management fits into this story. Let's continue with our smartphone example. Imagine product manager has already finalized phone's feature and design. Now someone has to actually build it. That work becomes project, and that's where project manager comes in. Unlike product manager, project manager doesn't decide what customers want or how products should exist. Instead, they focus on delivering the projects successfully. And project manager asks questions like, how long will the development take? What team will build each feature? What budget is available? What risk could delay the delivery? And how do we maintain quality throughout the project? Project manager then prepares project plan, coordinate with different teams, monitor progress, resolve issues, manage risk, and ensure everything is completed on time, within budget, and with the expected quality. Imagine Samsung plan to launch its new phone before holiday season begin. Now, missing the launch date could potentially mean losing millions of dollars in sales. And that is why project managers constantly track the progress and remove roadblocks to keep project on schedule. A good analogy is an orchestra. Now, every musician already knows how to play their instrument, but without a conductor, the performance would become chaotic. Similarly, a project manager does not build every feature, but coordinate with different teams to ensure they work together smoothly. A simple way to remember the difference is product manager decide what should be built and why, and project manager ensures it gets built successfully. Different responsibilities, but both are essential for success. This is the most important concept in today's video. Think of product management as an entire movie, and inside that movie, there are many individual scenes. Each scenes represent a project. Let's look at our smartphone example again. There could be a project to search customer needs, a project to design hardware, a project to develop software, a project to manufacture that device, and a project to launch it globally. And each of these projects will have its own project manager, but someone must ensure all these projects come together to create one successful product, and that is the responsibility of product manager. Let's look at one more example. Imagine Netflix wants to introduce a new AI powered recommendation feature. The product manager first decides whether customers really need the feature and whether it aligns with company's business strategy. And once approved, several projects begin. One team may develop AI model, another may update mobile application, another may perform testing, and another may prepare marketing campaigns. Each of these projects will have its own project manager, but product manager ensure all these projects work together to deliver one valuable customer experience. And this clearly shows why product manager has a broader business focus while project management focuses on delivering individual initiatives successfully. Now, neither of role replaces other. Instead, they complement each other and work closely together to create successful product. Let's quickly recap what we have learned today. Product management is responsible for complete life cycle of a product from first idea through development, launch and all the way to retirement. And project management focuses on delivering individual projects that help make that journey successful. A simple way to remember today's lesson is product manager decides what should be built and why, and project manager decide how to build it successfully. And if you're working as a project manager, there is a very good chance you will collaborate very closely with product managers throughout your career. And understanding both roles will help you see not only your project but also how your work contribute to organizations overall business goals. And if you remember these 3 points, you will never confuse product management and project management. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you clearly understand the difference between product management and project management. Remember, great project managers do not just deliver project, they understand how these projects contribute to the success of entire product and organization's business objectives. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with colleagues, friends or someone preparing for PMP or a career in project management. If there is a project management topic you would like me to cover next, please let me know in the comments. Thank you once again for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.